Web3 game na pwedeng-pwedeng laruin ng Web2 players. So, ang tawag sa project na to ay Robo Hero. This is a strategy mobile game na designed for both Web2 and Web3 players. So, kahit yung mga traditional gamers is pwedeng explore yung opportunity sa Web3 market. And also, the game ensures that all users can access its complete features without the need of cryptocurrencies. And available to sa iOS and Android phones. Sa game nito, mayroong story mode at multiplayers. So, magkakaroon din sila ng tournament soon na similar to Mavia Success. At kagandahan din nito, pwede itong laruin ng free-to-play. But of course, much better kung meron tayong NFT nila. Kasi syempre, kung meron tayo nun, maganda yung magiging loots nito at of course, advantage natin to sa ibang players. So ngayon ang tanong is, paano tayo mag-earn sa game na to? So meron dalawang paraan. Una yung active earnings and pangalawa is yung passive earnings. Sa active, involved dito yung PvP mode. So yung opponent mag-bet to ng stake sa pool at yung mananalo will takes all the rewards. And sa passive naman, maraming options. Una na dito kung landowner ka. Magkakaroon ka ng commission sa kada laban. Pangalawa, rent a billboard to advertisers. Pangatlo, pwede mong iparent yung characters mo dito para magkaroon ka ng reward. Pang-apat dito, be a mine owner and pwede ka nang mag-extract ng minerals. And take note mga pops, pwede naman natin i-combine both active and passive para mas mag-gain tayo. And based on my research mga pops, ang tokenomics nila, ang market cap is only 170k USD. At FCFS IDOs on SpartaDex and GameStarter ay both sold out in less than 30 seconds. At yung mga partners nila bigatin din. So this project is supported by Layer Zero, Wimix, GameSwift, Polygon Labs, at madaming pang iba mga pops. So yung mga nabanggit ko na yun, kilalang devs yan ng Web3 space. And lastly mga paps, itong game daw na to is magiging available sa lahat from the very beginning of TGE. So mga paps, this Robo Hero project is para sa akin good naman. Pero syempre, that's based on my research. So kung sa tingin nyo, nagandahan kayo dito sa Robo Hero, maganda do your own research din. So yun lang paps, thank you, bye-bye!